You mean study?
Yeah, studying, like learning, like taking film, like everything.
It is cool, but it's tough. Let me tell you, really.
Hello, it's me, and let's begin the day. If you had a late dinner after 8 p.m. and you go to sleep in 2 hours, you're gonna feel hungry again, at least I do. So I take snacks like fruits or bread. After that, guess what? When you get up from bed in the morning, your stomach will feel full or airy. So since my 12 years old, I started a habit of drinking a glass of water, but a warm one, before I eat something. Now I get why elders say to drink a cup of warm water. Am I getting old? It's my so-called usual day of getting ready during pre-production for film projects. As a daughter of Kazakhs, I'm used to move from one place to another my entire 20-something years of life. So I moved to this apartment building just recently and got opportunity to look to the Los Angeles city from another point.
What is your nickname on YouTube?
It is Saniya.
Well, actually, I don't really have it. I just watch things.
Oh, really?
Just watching, yeah.
Oh,
Is it like?
it is. It's just a small.
I just want to see.
It's actually also not a vlog. I am just doing this. It is just.
Some of you may have noticed the song in the background. It's that one from the K-drama Time Called You.
Film
What?
it
How?
for me. Here,
Online?
not physical.
Yeah, filmmaking seems so cool.
You mean study?
Yeah, studying, like learning, like taking film, like everything.
It is cool, but it's tough. Let me tell you, really.
Okay girls, I think my makeup looks pretty daily, even if I do not always do makeup. We are ready to go downstairs to the library. The only thing to what I'm not used to yet is getting lost inside this building, which is very huge. Made a couple of circles to find the right elevator and finally going down.
So here are the elevators. If you do not put key here, key fob, and just press, it's not going to press. So I forgot it almost. Why? Why? It's not working. It's working. Oh, God.
From time to time, I happen to be at this garden, which reminds me of the film The Secret Garden.
Hey. Oh. Okay, guys. Suddenly I am in the garden. I was actually going to go to the library. Great. Amazing.
This is the library of our apartment building. Pretty comfortable, right? I start this day from wiping the seat surface and organizing my table. Shooting schedule list, laptop, hard drive, pen and pencil. Everything you need. Oops, finding the laptop taken off from its back reversed became so usual for me. So, my today's to-do list includes creating the final shooting schedule and call sheet so that I can send it out to the producer and director and get their approval before shooting. With my first ever film festival screening preparation, I decided to take one project to work on. Even if I'm a writer-director, I understood that aspiring filmmakers like me, especially foreigners, can hardly survive in this entertainment. So that we carry 2 or more roles like I do script supervising and ADing. When you do those a lot, you get used to highlight the scenes, important actions, characters, wardrobe, camera actions, and more very quick. First, I roughly list out the scene descriptions, shots, characters, then I move them all to Excel to finalize. Just like that, I keep doing my pre-production part job until I get done. This library is so comfortable, reminds me of old French cinema style. Okay, great. Okay, pose. Time for some exercise. Oops. Okay, I won't touch it. Let's go. After a short break to the rooftop and gym, I sat back on work. This time, we are negotiating with actors. I've been using Backstage for almost 2 years, and I feel like this one is a very good platform.
Most of the actors that I like by their role. Actually, in the beginning, I listed those also who were not very fitting to some specifications, the role requirements, but still good at them. And then I said before and contacted them with the further instructions for self-tape. Now, let's wait for their answers. I hope some of them will, most of them will send me back their self-tapes, and we can move on with their applications, and then I can start just scheduling the taping, because we have only 2 weeks left before our first filming day. This is my day.
Every filmmaker has a favorite film style that they want to make their big film in future. After watching my vlogs, you may have understood mine, is it? Oops, my eyes are getting hard as I keep staring at the window. I like lots of things, one of which is to catch the sunlight in my hands. You lost it, then you find it again. As we did a good job, let's go up and I'll show you the stunning sunset of LA. For me, sunsets of every country, city and place is different, even if we live under and see one sky. I captured this moment for us. Thank you for yesterday, today and tomorrow.
Let's go. Here's the roof. Wow.
See you in the next one.